What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, that'll do. Are you sure that's the room number? Okay. 707?
I was like, I'm a little bit particular here. Bro.
I think it's the door. Like, look at how it's broken. Right here. I think the door is broken. It's got a little kitchenette, little rocking chair, couch. We have our own robes.
Huh?
We have our own robes.
Do
Fancy
we?
black robes,
Sweet,
yeah.
I'm about to get navy.
Oh my god.
No, your turbo on.
All the guys out here run so good with them.
I mean, her car, dude, her car versus like my car, driving hers, I could daily drive hers and drive it wherever. My
Right.
car, it drives like car,
It's like a race car, right? I mean,
and everything's solid on it. You know, her car makes more power and it's,
like driving.
her car will run on 8, you know, like.
That's crazy. It's crazy to think that you can run an 8 and then drive down the street after, like drive home in the car. I know. What size are those? 14?
12.
Yeah, way more. You're down around here, the same thing.
Is there?
There's a lot of them, yeah. I like it. Big boy, baby. The other one, which one's longer, the bottom? Right away?
The 2x4 on top of this, and that underneath.
Yeah. We need your help right now. Crank it up. Oh. Get the handle, yeah. Shut up.
Alright. I don't know
Banded?
what eBay store the turbos came from, but it was supposed to have, is it pronounced McLeod? McLeod clutch in it, and it didn't.
Fucking getting something.
I'm a big no to doing this, but like, I have a different.
Oh. Are you just taking a video at this point?
I am now.
Okay.
Oh. Well, I guess so. No kiss.
Chicago day 2. We are going to explore downtown. Last night didn't go quite as planned, but it is what it is. We went to go bike racing. Dave's bike broke. We also, everyone scattered before we got there, so it is what it is. Of course, there's a break in the way. Just little tourists in Chicago. Just water and then all. Yeah, probably doing a tour of the. Yeah, traffic. As always, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications for new videos. Stay tuned.